Coming to you, not live, from sunny Calgary. I just came back from quote-unquote the world's largest gaming store, which it was pretty big to be fair. Insert photograph here in post-production. And of course I couldn't leave empty-handed, so I bought a D&D Icons of the Realm's Tyranny of Dragons box. I've never had one of these boxes before. Could be anything inside here. Could be snakes. Hopefully it's not snakes. Let's see what's inside. I think I picked a good one. It is some sort of invisible dragon. It is a black shadow dragon, 30 out of 45. I don't have any miniatures that fly. Look at it, it's flying. It's so majestic. It's coming for you, readers. Alright, but that's not all we've got. We still have our 3 individual miniatures, which come very neatly wrapped up in this bubble wrap. We have got a figure of a fighter. I can't read the text, it's too small. And we also have... oh shit, it's an eagle man. Eagle man with his eagle plan. Oh, it's another flying one. This guy has a pole that goes up his butt. And finally, and it's another large one, it is an orc fighter who stands even taller than the friggin' eagle person. So, that's my Tyranny of Dragons box. I've got the awesome ass shadow dragon, eagle person, the orc fighter, and the one with the text so small that I can't read it, but it's a fighter of some description. That's pretty good. I've never opened one of those boxes before. I may not again, because they're very hard to get, and they're expensive. But for now, I'm Raven, and that's all from Canada.